and harvesting carrots by farmers. Get ready for an exciting journey to explore the world of agriculture. Modern technology and unexpected efficiency will surely surprise you. Let's embark on this adventure together. Carrots, a root vegetable originating from the Mediterranean region, have been cultivated for thousands of years. While originally bright orange through the cultivation efforts of farmers, carrots have now developed into various colors such as yellow, white, red, and purple. They are a rich source of fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals, including vitamins A, C, K, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. The journey begins on vast farms, where the soil is meticulously prepared for a new season. These soil tillage machines are indispensable for creating the perfect environment for planting. The 9507 Deere tractor, one of John Deere's powerful and high-performance models, plays a crucial role with its robust build and 6-cylinder diesel engine. This tractor delivers impressive and reliable performance in fields and farms. When connected to the strip tillage system Gladiator 125, the 9507 Deere tractor becomes a powerful machine for plowing and preparing the soil before planting. Its stable operation and strong frequency enhance efficiency, helping farmers work effectively and save time. For organic carrot cultivation, farmers have shifted from using pesticides to the burning method. This method helps eliminate weeds and grass mats that could compete with carrot plants while creating an ideal environment for crop growth. After preparing the fields, farmers plant carrots using the new Holland Tate 320 tractor combined with the Monosem planting machine attached with a 3-point hitch. This combination creates a precise and efficient system designed to achieve optimal performance in planting batches of crops with accurate seed metering and even distribution. The precise seed metering and distribution capability of the machine ensure uniformity and effectiveness in the planting process, bringing many benefits to carrot cultivation. Carrot seeds take about 2-3 weeks to germinate. During this period, the plants require regular care, consistent watering, and fertilization to ensure optimal growth. Have you ever heard about the Haas single-wheel hoe? It's an intelligent tool used in agriculture to efficiently weed and cultivate between rows of crops. The hoe features a simple design with a long handle and a sturdy single wheel at the front, equipped with 3 sharp blades crafted from materials like steel, ensuring durability and resistance to wear and tear. For larger-scale weed control, the Dino robot stands out as a groundbreaking solution. Leveraging advanced technology and full automation capabilities, Dino autonomously identifies and efficiently removes weeds, contributing to the growth and health of crops. Carrot plants typically take about 3 months to develop from seeds into mature roots. When they reach a diameter of around 1.25 km, depending on the variety and intended use, they are ready to be harvested. Modern farmers use the Univerco G-Force carrot harvesting machine, an efficient and advanced solution for easy and effective carrot harvesting. With its 2-row design, 3-point hookups, and automatic direction tracking, it allows for continuous operation under all conditions, ensuring smooth and efficient harvesting. The Univerco G-Force machine is versatile and can also harvest sugar beets, turnips, parsnips, and rutabagas, bringing flexibility and diversity to the harvesting process. This versatility allows farmers to efficiently switch between different crops, maximizing the use of their equipment throughout the year. Furthermore, its robust design ensures durability and long-term use, reducing the need for frequent replacements and repairs. Additionally, the SP460BH machine, a versatile device combining an elevator and a 6-ton hopper, ensures continuous operation with a fast flow, guaranteeing maximum productivity per hour without interruptions during the harvesting process. Advanced engineering provides a smooth and efficient workflow, allowing farmers to handle large volumes of produce with ease. Its user-friendly interface simplifies operation, making it accessible even for those new to modern farming technology. Both machines together offer a comprehensive solution to modern agricultural challenges, enhancing efficiency and productivity on the farm. After harvesting, carrots are transported to processing and packaging plants. The Novatech assembly line, a modern system with a capacity of up to 5 tons per hour, meets the bulk production needs of the carrot cultivation and harvesting industry. This assembly line processes large quantities of carrots in a short time, ensuring increased productivity and production efficiency, crucial for meeting market demands. The Novatech assembly line is at the forefront of agricultural innovation, incorporating an array of advanced technologies designed to streamline and enhance the production process. This state-of-the-art system includes sophisticated sensor systems that meticulously monitor each stage of the process, ensuring optimal performance and quality control. Intelligent sorting machines work tirelessly to categorize and sort produce with exceptional accuracy, minimizing human error and maximizing efficiency. Automated washing systems play a crucial role using precise water jets to clean the produce thoroughly while conserving water. High-quality brushes and polishers are then employed to give the produce a pristine finish, enhancing its appeal to consumers. Precise electronic scales ensure that each package meets the exact weight specifications, maintaining consistency and reliability. The entire assembly line is a marvel of modern engineering, with each component intelligently integrated to create a smooth and efficient production process, reducing waste and boosting productivity. One of the leading automated carrot processing lines is the PIP Innovations D-Blade. With its automation capabilities, it handles tasks such as tail trimming and cutting the length of whole carrots with precise speed and high capacity. Operating automatically without the need for manual intervention, it enhances productivity and ensures product quality, saving labor costs and ensuring consistent and fast production quality. The final step in the journey of carrots is exporting them to global markets. After processing and packaging, the carrots are ready to be shipped to various destinations around the world. Exporting carrots involves stringent quality control measures to ensure that only the best products reach the consumers. This includes proper storage, transportation, and handling to maintain freshness and nutritional value. In 2023, the United States achieved remarkable success in carrot production and export. The country harvested a record-breaking 1.3 million tons of carrots, with California being the leading state in production. This impressive yield was a result of advanced agricultural techniques and favorable weather conditions. The high-quality carrots produced were in great demand in international markets, particularly in Canada, Mexico, and European countries. The U.S. exported over 500,000 tons of carrots, generating substantial revenue for the agricultural sector. This not only highlighted the efficiency and capability of American farmers, but also showcased the global reliance on U.S.-grown carrots, In conclusion, the journey of carrots from planting to exporting is a testament to the advancements in agricultural technology and techniques. Modern machinery and efficient processes have revolutionized the way farmers cultivate, harvest, process, and export carrots, ensuring high productivity and meeting global market demands. This intricate process not only highlights the dedication